So hey guys, what's up everyone? I am Baljeet Singh and welcome to TechWise Laptop Edition. So guys, in today's video, we will going to cover a very common issue faced by many Microsoft users for certified beginners. That is Office activation key required in MS Word, Excel, or many more applications of MS Office. So this message is too annoying. So we're gonna fix it without getting any delay. Let's get started. So guys, now when you open Word or any MS Office app, you might see this activation issue which was showing on your screen. To fix it, we are going to use a simple method with the window PowerShell. This method connects you directly to a Microsoft server and activate your Office with a Gen1 key. So guys, first step is you need to open the window PowerShell. Now I am running a command which will provide you in description below or a pin command. Actually, this command fetches the data from Microsoft server and redirect to a new window CMD. This script fetches data from the Microsoft server to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now you can see the troubleshoot options. Here choose 2 for Office and now choose option 1 to activate Microsoft Office. This script will automatically detect your window version, whether you are on Windows 10 or 11, and install the correct key and make the necessary system modifications in your laptop or PC. Wait for a few seconds. It may take time. Yes, our Office is permanently activated with a Gen1 key. Now we have to verify it. Press any key to go back. 0. Here is choose option 5. Check activation status. This will give all information about the Microsoft Office in your laptop or PC. Hey guys, you can see here is activation ID, which was not shown before, but now it's still provided by this script. And now when you open the Word or any application of Microsoft, it will perfectly work. Let's get check it. Back it, back, close the PowerShell, check the MS Word. It completely worked, guys. It completely worked. Accept it. Everything is working now, guys. Guys, if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and share it with others who might facing the same issue. And don't forget to subscribe the TechWise for more tips and tricks. That's it for today. Let's see you on the next video.